If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Shopify, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. This guide will help you navigate through the cancellation. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin by entering your credentials on the Shopify website. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage transactions. Step 2. Navigate to Orders. Once logged in, go to the Orders section on the left-hand menu. This area contains all your recent transactions, including pending ones. Step 3. Find the pending transaction. Scroll through the list of orders to locate the pending transaction you wish to cancel. You can use the search bar to quickly find the order by entering relevant details like the order number or customer name. Step 4. Select the order. Click on the order to open its details page. Here, you will see all relevant information about the transaction, including its status and payment details. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, the pending transaction will be cancelled. Make sure to notify the customer if necessary and keep track of your order management for future reference.